Hi, I'm Pri, and I'm going to give you guys a pre-introduction of what we're going to do today in our video. Today we'll be talking about the topics of global warming and plastic water bottles.
We'll also be introducing a better substance that can replace water bottles, and we're going to be talking about the molecular structure in water bottles that are plastic versus edible water bottles.
The edible water bottle idea was founded and introduced by a company named UHO.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean. How you doing, bro?
Good. How about you?
Good.
How about these plastic water bottles?
Dude, I love them.
Let's go for one right now.
All right.
Man, that was good. I love how disposable these things are.
Right?
I love global warming.
I love littering.
Yeah.
Did you guys know that throwing water bottles around is really bad for our environment?
How are we gonna prevent it?
Global warming's gonna happen anyway.
Wait, I have a solution. Come on to my place so I could show you guys better ways to prevent global warming. In here, I hold the secrets of how to prevent global warming. Let me introduce you to my friend, Pooh.
I can tell you about that. Come on, follow me. Let me tell you a little bit about plastic pollution. Water bottle pollution is mainly caused by humans. Where it's primarily located is the beach and marine life. Marine life often mistake plastic for food and eat it, and it poisons them. Its effects are devastating. Over 100,000 mammals are killed, and millions of birds and fish die. An example of this would be the Great Pacific Patch, which is located in the Pacific Ocean and is almost the size of Texas.
The plastic for water bottles, also called polyethylene terephthalate, is a plain long-chain polymer molecule. It's made up of ethylene glycol, or OH, and terephthalic acid, a large six-sided carbon ring, aka the hexagon, and CO2H. The carbon ring is what makes the plastic stiff. When heated, the OH and CO2H react to each other and create an ester group, or COO. The COO groups link the polyethylene terephthalate strands together to create the long chain of polymer.
Hey, I'm Sean.
Hey, I'm also Sean!
Hey, I'm Pri.
Hey, I'm Mandy!
And I'm Vuhao.
And I'm Chantal. I couldn't join you guys today because I got sick from global warming.
And today, we're going to be making a DIY on how to make edible water bottles.
Now to the lab. Here are some things that you'll need.
First, we're gonna need sodium alginate,
We're also going to need some calcium lactate,
measuring spoons,
a measuring cup.
and a mixer and a whisk.
Also, we're going to need 3 big bowls.
Step 1. Add 1 gram of sodium alginate to a bowl of water that's filled with 1 cup of water.
Step 2. Mix the water and sodium alginate for 5 minutes. Then let sit for 3 minutes.
3. Pour 4 cups of water into a bowl and put calcium lactate into it. Then, proceed to whisk it.
So step 4. The next thing you want to do is get your sodium alginate mixture and move it right next to your calcium lactate bath. What you want to do is take about a scoop of the sodium alginate and you want to gently and very carefully plop it into the calcium lactate bath. And I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but a reaction happens immediately. You want to go ahead and repeat this process until you're out of sodium alginate mixture.
Step 5. After pouring the sodium alginate mixture into the bowl, we're gonna stir it very gently around like so.
Step 6. Gently place a spoon in the pool of water bottle edibles and place it into a bath that's just filled with water. Step 7. Gently put your hand and scoop it out and enjoy.
Okay, so wait, what are the pros and cons to this, and how does this work?
The pros are that it's environmentally safe, it's cheaper than plastic, it prevents plastic pollution, it saves ocean life, and it's an alternative towards different drinks. The cons are that if it's not consumed in 4 to 6 weeks, it will decompose, it could easily pop, and transportation and packaging are a hassle.
The structure for sodium alginate and calcium lactate is simple. Sodium ions bond with the oxygen in the water it's poured into, making its structure loose, flexible, and soluble. When dropped in calcium ions, the calcium bonds with the alginate, replacing sodium.
The now calcium alginate makes additional bonds to meet the requirements of the previous sodium ions and to become stable. Since the molecules bond into a larger structure, the initial flexibility is eliminated, making them more stiff and unbending than before.
The comparison between the two elements is that both polyethylene terephthalate and the water bubbles have an ester group to hold them together. The polyethylene terephthalate structure is long and plain, while the sodium alginate and calcium lactate structure is very large and complex. Polyethylene terephthalate has carbon-carbon bonds, which makes it unable to biodegrade compared to the water bubble, which has no carbon-carbon bonds, allowing it to biodegrade. Since the plastic can't biodegrade, this leads to plastic pollution and leads to worldwide problems such as global warming.
There are many reasons why plastic used in water bottles is inadequate. Water bottle plastic contains bisphenol A, or BPA, phthalates, and many other chemicals that negatively affect the body. Some of these effects are certain types of cancer, neurological problems, and defects in newborn babies. The creation of plastic uses large amounts of the world's oil supply and is not biodegradable, which means it causes pollution and kills animals.
That lab was fun.
That lab was pretty fun, I gotta say, and it was also very educational. Now I know about plastic pollution, why it's bad to our environment, such as the marine life, and it's a huge factor towards global warming.
Let's put an end to plastic pollution.
Let's do it.
Thank you!
This is, in here is the secret.
Global warming.
Okay, in here I hold the secret to prevent global warming.
Okay. Now just say it right now. Just say it.
Okay.
What about the boo-ha part?
No, just say that sentence.
Okay. In here I hold the secrets of preventing global warming. Come in. I have a solution, you guys.
Andy! And I'm boo-ha.
And today we're gonna be making a DIY on how to make edible water bottles.
On a guy date.
On a guy date.
On a bro date. I'll take you on a meet.
Reservation for Sean and Sean?
Wait, Sean.
You did not just, girl, you are fighting with forces you don't even know.
Who has to talk? Show them off.
nowhere.
You're gonna. Oh.
is
Mull
you
it.
could be
Mull
like,
it.
hey,
I'll do that.
you can't litter those.
I can see your
No!
feet. Ready, go.
You gotta try again one time, but like not hold the hell low.
Okay, come on.
Just grab it.
Sean!
Just grab it. This one is on the top.
Okay, come
This
on.
is what we do
hurry,
for it.
Hurry up, Sean.
Ready?
Sean, come on, buddy.
I have no time, you guys. Come on.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? And